Well, hello! This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, oh boy, folks, boy, you are really in for a wonderment. Look at that. Two-egg spicy bulldog 2x spicy, artificial spicy chicken flavor ramen cup spicy. Let us do what must be done. We've got a cup, we've got a sauce, we got a garnish, and we got noodle. So let's make it so. And I believe these go for 4 minutes. They do. So let's make it go 2, 3, 4 minutes. Go. All right. So I've got some fancy schmancies to go with this one. I'm going to make it look lovely. And then once it's all done, you know what I'm going to do. I'm going to eat it. But that'll be in a different video. You just have to look up the title, Bulldog 2x Spicy Ramen Cup Mukbang. That should bring it up. I think that's a reasonable thing for you to do. A logical use of your time. And a real service to the world. So that's what's going to happen. What's going on? Just got the boy off to school. Kicked a bunch of pine cones out in the road. That's fun. It's our little morning thing that we do. We kick pine cones that have fallen from tree. Do you like tree? We all like tree, don't we? I hope you enjoy tree. Not trees, tree. I like beverages too. Do you like beverages? I hope you do. I'm enjoying my second fancy beverage. They're delightful. Can you turn it down out there a little bit, please? The TV is loud. Oh, what's going on today in the world of not a lot. There's a big NRA convention, if you're interested, down in Houston, Texas. It's kind of an odd time to do such a thing. I'm sure they planned it before the big school shooting, but you know, we had reservations, you know, that kind of thing. So, but you know, that's how it goes. But yeah, that's the thing. It was all set up. It was all pre-planned. So like multiple times, and it always drives me nuts. I've probably done like 20 episodes where I've complained about this. But I remember one day I was walking by McDonald's in my old hometown of Anacortes, Washington, land of seagulls, and the sprinkler system was going. They were watering the lawn, and it was dumping rain. And invariably, most people just say, oh, it's probably on a timer. Can't you just turn off the timer? It's like, oh, it's raining outside. We're watering the lawn. Yeah, we should probably just turn it off. No, we're at the mercy of the timer. We can't turn it off. It's a timer. It's set to do that at certain times. But it's raining. Not that, well, you know. So I'm going to use a fencing mask for draining these noodles. But generally, they come with a lid that has 3 little X's on it. And what you're supposed to do is poke your chopstick through that and then flip it, because you only open the lid halfway to put the boiling water in. You know what I'm saying? And then you like flip it over, drain the water out, put the sauce in, stir it up, and you go. But it's much easier just to do that, especially since the lid is no longer affixed to this. And yeah, it's not happening. So here's our noodle. So I'm gonna like make this look real nice. Real nice. So let's drain the noodle, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God. Where's my utility cup? There we go, utility cup. So I put the noodles in a different cup, a plastic cup. Why would I do that? You will learn momentarily of the reason. Excuse me. We now arrive at the garnish portion of the show. Here comes our bulldog sauce. Here we are. This is going to be spicy. I haven't done 2X in a long time, and usually it got me going. So you can await that. Okay. It doesn't smell like they modified the heat level of this. Oh God. Yeah, the last bulldog I did was the curry flavor, and that used to have a lot more kick to it than the current. But the current, I really like it a lot. It's nice and tasty. Okay. So now it is time to beautify the world with some spicy noodles. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna set our plate here and watch and learn. This one has no broth. See, it doesn't work if I laugh every time I say it. Give it a couple seconds there. I kind of want it to keep the form of the cup. I already had somebody comment when I did this before that's like, hey, that looks like Indonesian food. I did okay. Yeah, there will be a video where I eat this probably like in 3 bites, 4 bites. That's my challenge to myself, is to see how quickly I can eat it this time. Generally, I'll like take a few bites, comment on how it tastes, that kind of thing when I do a mukbang. But this one, I think probably most of you know how this one tastes. But I'll give my input. What I'm more worried about is my output. You know what I mean? Ha ha ha. But there's our little bit of what have you. Now we're going to put some chicken. We're going to place it lovingly on the plate. This is what I did here, is I put a chicken breast in the oven. Gosh, what time was that? Like 6 this morning? With a bunch of Maggi seasoning on it, and baked it. It came out pretty good. It's a good chicken. Yeah, I good chicken. That's fine. Now Egg. I like egg. Masterfully sliced spring onion. Noodle on top. Push that chicken over there a little bit. And we're going to augment with a little extra seediness. Well, you like that. You're impressed by that. That's kind. Thank you. Right about this would be a good one if it stays in the center. And this is Noodle. Alright, so keep an eye out. You're going to see a video of me eating this stuff if you look on the channel. And yeah, like, subscribe, do everything I tell you to do, and have a good one. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Bye-bye.